Casamigos is getting heated. They gotta follow us in the Uber, my car filled up with shooters. It be.
Hello everybody, what is good and what is going on? It is your boy from Everyday Trippin', and I'm back here with another unboxing. As you can see here today, we're gonna be unboxing the one and only Don Julio 1942 from the brand Don Julio 1942. Hope you're having a great day or evening, wherever you are. I know I am. And as you can see, I got my glass and I have the box with the bottle right here. And we're gonna get this video started right about now. Now the back of the box reads, in 1942, Don Julio Gonzalez began perfecting the art of tequila making. From the cultivation of agave to the final product, he refined an intricate process that produces one of Mexico's most exquisite tequilas. Next, the process begins with hand selecting the finest agave plants at the peak of their maturity. The agave is then slowly cooked for an average of 72-hour cycles in traditional masonry ovens and double distilled. This exponential tequila is crafted from the finest agave and aged until it reaches extraordinary levels of flavor and character. Don Julio Tequila 1942 coats the palate with an agave and vanilla flavors, sunripe, tropical fruits, and spiced undertones to create a wonderfully unique tequila experience. This here is one of the most famous tequilas on the market. It's celebrated in cocktail bars, restaurants, iconic nightclubs, and it is the tequila choice for most connoisseurs around the globe. Produced in small batches and aged for a minimum of 2.5 years. So let's get into this unboxing and tasting of Don Julio 1942. Now real quick, I would like to showcase what the box is looking like up close and personal if you haven't seen it. And these are the readings on the back. All right, here we go. We're about to open the box. And if you're new here on the channel, I do my unboxings with a GoPro as well, so you can get a first-person feel as if you were opening as well. So that will be right after this. So let's get into it. Let's see here. Ooh, wow. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put the GoPro on so you guys can see what this is looking like. This looks great. It looks like it says, this exceptional tequila is crafted from the finest agave and aged until it reaches the most extraordinary level of flavor and character. Let's see what they're talking about. This is something else. All right, well, let's get into it. This is good stuff right here. In Vegas last year was my 21st birthday. This year is my 22nd. It's actually today, November 7th, the day this video's going out. Go check out my Vegas videos from last year if you haven't seen them. Had a little bit of 1942, super, super delicious. This is my second time trying, and I'm super, super excited. All right, let's crack this bad boy open. This is a good looking bottle of tequila right here. This is looking pretty good. If you hear my dog out there, that's my bad. I'm supposed to let her in, but I'm doing this unboxing, so you know. I'll get you in a second, don't worry. Alright. Man. Alright, here we go. This smells good right here. It is my birthday in today's video. I have my Cash App on screen if you are in the giving mood. To give back, that would be great. It would help support me on YouTube, and thank you in advance. Let's get back to the video. It smells very rich. It smells delicious. This is one of the best tequilas, for sure. One of the best, man. This is delicious. It does smell very fruity. It smells delicious. It does smell like a little bit of, like if you could picture what the sun smells like, it smells like the sun and very fruity mix of that. It's delicious. I'm gonna be giving this a 10 out of 10. This stuff is amazing. Now for the price point of around $150 is what it's going for right about now. I don't know if it's the most practical price, but it is very, very delicious. I got this for under retail. I won some money at Yamava Hotel Resort and Casino, as well as some gift cards, so it didn't cost me that much, but it's normally gonna cost you around $150. If you go to Mexico, or if you live in Mexico, it should be around $100, or you can get a couple of deals in Mexico. But I do really enjoy it. I don't know if it's worth the $150. I don't know if you wanna pay that. But just a recommendation, my birthday last year in Vegas, I was buying shots of this, and it's about $55 a shot. So therefore, I do think it is worth it if you wanna try it to get a bottle instead of buying shots of this. But this stuff is super delicious. I definitely recommend it if you are a tequila connoisseur and you haven't tried it. I do think I might start doing a couple more of these on my channel, maybe with like Casamigos or some other popular brands, maybe Casa Azul. Let me know in those comments down below what you guys think. And that's gonna be it for me in this video. Go check out some other stuff on my channel. I got videos here, here, here. Go check it out. That's gonna be it for me today. Hope you guys are gonna have an amazing night or day. And I'm out. I'm coming, I got you. Peace.